We actually recently got asked by someone that they want a directional antenna, okay, and they also wanted to have GPS. Now, we've got certain ones, the E.2, the X.2, I think sometimes have got a GPS in, and our salespeople couldn't really give them anything else because they said, no, we want GPS in. And our bucks do have it in, but they're not really high gain. And I thought this is just something to address properly. So sometimes you can use high gain omni antennas instead of using another antenna. And you can simply, we've got one puck that's got GPS and mount it next to it. Then you've got GPS. Don't always need to buy an antenna with GPS. Now, how does this work? If you've got, especially walls, you've got a wall there. Most of the time, I find omnis are not put on top of something, like a little lone thing there sitting by itself. So it doesn't really do omni. It sits against the wall. On ships, it's sometimes got ship structure next to it and so forth. So if you look at what happens there in real life, if that's seeing the antenna from the top, we're now looking at a top view. The antenna would normally, if it was sitting by itself, have sort of this type of pattern. And if it's our omnis, any of our higher gain omnis, you'll find that this may have a gain between, say, 5 and 8 dBi in all directions. Okay. If you look at an X.2, for example, that goes up to 11. Now, if you put this guy in front of a wall, let's say 5 to 8 dB, remember now that power can't go backwards. And I can show you that if power doesn't go backwards but forward, you tend to double or more. You get up to 6 times more gain forward. Not such a neat pattern, let me tell you that, but it will give you more gain than this in this one direction. Okay. What's also nice, where a high gain antenna would have given you sort of a certain beam, this guy will be more messy, but it will look sort of in all directions on this side of the wall. Okay, so sometimes even better than directional antenna, given that you do want to get base stations that's perhaps changing, or you want to be able to talk to more than one base station. So great, mount a little puck GPS if you also want to get GPS. And then my last little hint, if the wall is like that looking from the front now, okay, and you want MIMO, you want to, in other words, put 2 antennas onto that radio. There's a number of options. The one option would just be to space them. Okay, 2 by 2 MIMO. Space them as far as you can get. You'll see some of my other talks. Unless you can space them, because MIMOs, with omnis, you can now space them far. If they're in one antenna, I've got another video tells you can't get much with that. But if they're spaced a little bit apart, that helps a lot. And the best one, people don't like it, doesn't look neat, but the best one is, of course, with one of the omnis vertical and actually mount the other one sideways, horizontal. And I tell you all now, that antenna will most of the time outperform that antenna. Doesn't look great, the antenna looks like it must be upside. Who cares? This way is the real way of mounting it. Hope that gives people some ideas in terms of both MIMO high gain antennas and just normal size.